Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create super cute and easy snowflake earrings? We're using these beautiful laser etched snowflake beads that just shimmer, and we're using one of the little pave beads, and then just like a little crystal. And these were left over from one of the Jesse James bead mix from a past Softlex company design kit. And the beautiful snowflake was claimed from the Softlex company live sale, and I will leave links down below in the description for the Softlex live sales. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. I will leave the links down below as well as an earring tutorial playlist. Let's start creating. So these are super fun and easy earrings to make. So you can make these beautiful earrings in about 10 minutes. And the secret behind that is our tool, the one-step looper, and the 1.5 millimeter, and I will link that down below. They can be found on Amazon, and they make the perfect loop every time. Let's start creating. So to start, we are just going to add on our beautiful little snowflake to a head pin. And this is just a 20 gauge head pin in silver. Just see that shimmer from the snowflake. I love the check glass laser etched beads. Your beautiful little sample full of sparkle. So we're just going to add this into our tool, just right over the bead and give it a squeeze. And it will give us the perfect loop every time. And you may notice that there's a little bit of an opening, but we will make any adjustments and fix that in just a moment. And if you didn't have the one-step looper tool, you could always use your round nose pliers to make a wrapped loop. So once I use my one-step looper, I just like to take my round nose pliers and make sure that everything is nice and secure and my loop is closed. I'm going to add in my eye pin. And I'm just going to open it, gently twisting it apart. And this is similar to how you would open a jump ring. And then we're just going to attach our little component snowflake and give it a close. And you could also attach them with jump rings if you wanted to as well. We're going to add on our beautiful little pave bead. Then we're going to add it back to the looper and give it a squeeze. And we'll have our second little component. And if you wanted to, instead of completely closing it, you could just gently open up the loop and attach it to the next little eye pin or head pin components. And we'll just make sure everything is nice and closed and secure. You can make these as big as you would like for your earrings. They're super lightweight. You can also do the same thing for a charm bracelet or a necklace style as well. And then we're just going to add our last little eye pin into our tool and give it a squeeze. We're just going to make sure that our loop is completely closed. Now we're on our final step of just adding in our ear wire. And then I just added in like a little rubber backing just so I don't lose my earring. So sometimes you can slide it right over. So I'm just going to remove the little backing and I'm just going to add on my earring. I take my round nose pliers and just close my ear finding. And then just add on the little backing to prevent me from losing my earring. So super cute and easy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more earring inspiration tutorials and the products used in this video. Have an awesome day.